Did you know hedge funds use SQL to analyze stock markets in real time? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how that works. This tutorial is for data analysts, traders, and finance professionals who want to master SQL for stock market analysis. We will start by pulling live stock price data using Yahoo Finance APIs and store it in PostgreSQL. Then, we will use SQL to calculate moving averages, detect trends, and generate hedge fund-style insights, CPM strategy. This method is often used in financial firms and hedge funds to build automated trading logic. We will use a premium PostgreSQL tool and a paid Yahoo Finance plan. More on that insight. Tools needed. To follow this tutorial, you will need PostgreSQL. We will use it as our database to store stock market data. PGAdmin, a GUI to run SQL queries and view tables. Yahoo Finance API. To pull live stock data, we will use yFinance Python library, Jupyter Notebook or VS Code to run Python scripts, which is optional. Why PostgreSQL? PostgreSQL is used in many hedge funds due to its performance and flexibility with analytics extensions like TimescaleDB. Dataset. We will pull live stock price data using the yFinance library. This includes open, close, high, low, volume for stocks like AAPL, TSLA, Google, Quick Setup. Install PostgreSQL and PGAdmin if you haven't already. Create a database called Market Data. We will write a Python script to fetch data from Yahoo Finance and insert it into our database. Next, let me show you how to set this up step by step on screen. Create the database. Open PGAdmin or PostgreSQL terminal and create a new database called Market Data. Design table schema. Now let's design a SQL table to store stock data pulled from Yahoo Finance. The columns will be ID, ticker, date, open price, high price, low price, close price, volume. SQL query to create a table. Let's run the SQL command inside PGAdmin. Create table stock prices, ID serial primary key constraint, ticker text, date data type, open price numeric, high price numeric, low price numeric, close price numeric, volume bigint. This schema is optimized for financial time series analysis. We will be able to write powerful SQL queries on this table for trend detection, moving averages, and much more. Next, I will show you how to populate this using Python. Install required libraries in your terminal or notebook. Run pip install yFinance, PSKO PG2, pandas. These libraries help us. yFinance fetch stock market data. PSCO PG2 connect Python to PostgreSQL. Pandas handle tabular data easily. To the Python script to load the data, create a new Python file named loaddata.py and paste this code. This script pulls last 5 days of data from Apple, Tesla, and Google and inserts it into our stock prices SQL table. Reminder, update your password if needed. Make sure your PostgreSQL service is running. Next, we will use SQL to analyze this data like a hedge fund would. Let's analyze stock trends using SQL. Now that our stock price table is filled with the live data, let's write SQL queries detect trends using moving averages, a key technique used in hedge funds. Simple price history query. Select star from stock prices where ticker equal to AAPL order by date descending. 3-day moving average which is closing price. Select date, ticker, close price, round average of close price over partition by ticker order by date, rows between two preceding and current row as moving average 3D from the stock prices table where ticker equal to AAPL order by date. Rows between two preceding and current row means we take the current day and 2 days before. This shows how price momentum is forming, just like a hedge fund analyst would check. Trend detection. Delta between closing and MA. Select date, ticker, close price, average of close price over partition by ticker order by date column. Rows between two preceding and current. Close price minus round of average of close price over partition by ticker order by date. rows between two preceding and current, from stock prices where ticker equal to AAPL order by date. This new column trend signal shows whether the price is moving above or below the 3-day average, useful for automated trend detection. In the next section, we will talk about automating this analysis weekly. Automate weekly trend report from SQL. Let's turn this into an automated system, just like hedge funds do. Use Power Automate, no code. We can schedule an automation that runs our moving average SQL query every Monday at 9 a.m., export results as a CSV, and emails the report to our team. Real business use case? A hedge fund analyst used this weekly email to spot upward trends and rebalance portfolios. Use Python with Cron for developers. You can schedule your load data.py and generate report.py script using a cron job on your server. Basic cron setup, 09 times 1 Python 3 path to generate report.py. This sends trend analysis reports automatically to your email or Slack channel every Monday. No manual work required. Business use cases, portfolio management. Use SQL moving averages to trigger buy or sell alerts for asset managers. Client reporting. Automatically share trend summaries with high net worth clients weekly. Quant strategy backtesting. Use historical moving averages to simulate strategy performance with SQL. Next, let's wrap up and talk about how to use this for your own career or product. Today, you have learned how hedge funds use SQL to store and analyze stock market data, write moving average queries to detect trend, automate weekly reporting using Power Automate or Python. Bonus for you. Download my free Hedge Fund SQL Starter Pack. Includes ready-to-use SQL queries, Python data loader script, a sample report template for Power BI. Link is in the description. Totally free, no sign-up required. Want more? This method is used not just in hedge funds, but also by startup founders building stock tracking tools, in finance teams running quant reports, by BI developers working in fintech. Call to action. Subscribe to Know How Academy for more SQL plus finance tutorials. Leave a comment. What stock or ticker should we analyze next? In the next video, we will visualize this SQL data in Power BI to create a real-time stock analytics dashboard. Make sure to hit that bell icon. Missed it? Thank you.